guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an interesting haul video because it's been a long time. Alright, let's get started. But before we get started with the video, I want you all to subscribe to my channel, watch this video till the very end and give it a huge thumbs up. So in this video my hair might look like a mess because it's really oily, but that's not the topic. I'm going to be showing you all my product in no order. I'm going to be just picking up the product randomly and I'm going to be showing you, and why I bought it I might tell you. The first product that came in my hand is this Nykaa lashes. This is the Lash Talk OTT Drama. You can see it's very full and lengthening. It has both. Okay, so why I bought this lash is because I recently started wearing falsies and I really like lashes now. So, and I wanted something really fuller, really, volumizing. So I bought this one, and this is very cheap. It retails for $199, but on sale I got it for $149. So it was really inexpensive. I generally like the lashes from Nykaa. Previously I didn't know how to wear them. Now I know and I really like them. Although I would like to mention that you get a glue with it, which they claim is useful, which is not at all. You have to buy another glue, so keep that in mind. Next up, I bought this Herb Day cleansing cream. It's for all skin type. It's from the company called The Face Shop. Now this is the part of double cleansing. Like if you have makeup on, if you have heavy makeup on, this will help you break down the makeup. Okay, so now I've started doing a really heavy makeup like face painting and stuff, and to break what happened one day, I took micellar water in my cotton pad and I started rubbing aggressively because things were not moving around and my skin was inflamed. So this was an easier option. I bought this and this works amazingly. You have to just keep rubbing, not rubbing. You have to just move in circular motion and the product comes off on its own. Okay, so this product is really amazing, worth the price. It retails for $390, but I think I got it on some off. I don't remember exactly. Like 30-40 rupees you will get off. There's no seasonal sale going on or any festive sale. Okay, next up I bought this Dot & Key Skincare Retinol Serum. Now I heard Hiram saying retinol is genius. Retinol is a genius formulation, okay, and it is meant for any skin problem. Now me having chicken pox scars, I wanted to try retinol serum, okay, because I want to get rid of them. So he said it's a slow process, but it will happen. I'll try this product and let you know. I have only used it once. Next up, I bought this Forever Flawless Constellation palette. Okay, look at the packaging here. It's so beautiful. Then you get a sheet in between the shadow and the mirror. There's a full-size mirror as well. And then you get the shadows. You can see. Look at the shadows. They're like perfect. Just look at them, and they're super pigmented. That's why I bought them. Just look at this pink, look at this blue, look at this purple, look at this shimmer. Look at these colors. They're super pigmented, and this is like my second palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm not disappointed from them. Then I bought this Makeup Revolution concealer. Okay, it's Conceal and Define. Yeah, this is like the infamous concealer, the dupe of Tarte Shape Tape. I don't know because I have not used Tarte Shape Tape. It has a very thick applicator, I'm not gonna deny. And this color is C1, which is basically their brightest color. Okay, so I wanted actually a white concealer, but this is somewhere close to white. It's not exactly white. It will be quite brightening. I want it because I do a lot of colorful looks and I want the colors to pop really well. So that's why I bought this particular concealer, and it has been working pretty cool, pretty fine, not pretty cool. Then I got this Wet n Wild Kohl pencil. This is in nude shade. Very smooth, very pigmented and awesome. Like it's really good. It's just for 130 rupees I got. This is basically not for my waterline. I can use it for waterline, of course, the makeup. But this I have used because I do a lot of face painting and I need to draw, and it has to be nude. You cannot have dark. You don't have an eraser that you can rub it on your face. So what you have to do is you have to be really careful while drawing on your face. So that's why I bought this pencil, because when I draw with this, it's barely visible, and you can just rub it easily because this is very smooth and it rubs easily. Next up, I got this Viga ka eyeliner brush. Now the brush is not inside, I have just the packet because I have kept the brush somewhere else. I cannot recall where it is. But this is the eyeliner brush. It has a very thin fine tip. It's really good to put eyeliner, and it just retails for 80 or 90 rupees. Yeah, 90 rupees, but I got it on sale, so I got it for 8. Then I got my favorite liner, which is the Faces Canada magnetized liner. Now I got this for just 140 rupees. Yeah, 140 rupees, and this is the most amazing liner I have used so far. It has the most amazing tip and the most amazing formula, because the formula is also so nice. It comes off so easily and it stays on again. It's like it has a very weird formula. It doesn't dissolve with water. It comes off like a peel. Okay, so that's the great part about it. I really love this range only. I think the magnetized range, the kajal as well as the liner, they both are really good. Next up, I have some Lotus products. Okay, so since I've gotten into this whole face painting thing, by the way, I'm mentioning face painting so many times. If you have not seen my Instagram, you should definitely check it out. I do amazing, okay, I'm posting all myself. I try to do amazing face painting over there on Instagram. Please do check it out. I'll give the link in the description box below. Okay, so this is the Lotus gel creams. This is called the Lotus Makeup Eco Stay Butter. Okay, so it's really creamy, as you can see. It's really creamy, and it can be used as an eyeshadow, eyeliner, or as well as on lips. So it's really cool. I wanted the blue version in the same, so by mistake I ordered their blue liner, which is kind of shimmery. But this is also great, by the way. I'll give the review on both once I'm done using like 2 to 3 times, because that's when I'll be able to tell properly. Then I badly needed a hair mask because my hair has been acting weird these days. So I thought, let's try a hair mask which might help, and it did help. So I tried this Wow hair mask. It is the Sunflower Biolipids and Argan Oil variant. It's really amazing. It makes your hair really smooth. Now keep in mind, my hair is already kind of smooth, so I need a little bit of just that bit more conditioning and my hair will be extra smooth. So I don't know how it works for extra frizzy hair. You might have to check it on your own, but yeah, I really love the product. And from an ingredient point of view, if it contains argan oil and sunflower, then it has to be really conditioning in nature. Then I bought what I'm wearing right now. Okay, I bought this Nykaa matte nail paint in white chocolate. It's really good. I love this. I love the formula. I love the payoff. I love the color. It's like a one swipe pigmentation. It's amazing. Same goes for this. But you know what, this color, these kind of cookie crumble, the whole cookie crumble collection, I feel if you apply a base coat of white and then you apply it later, it appears to be more amazing. Now you see this, these look amazing, right? Because white is the base coat, so if the color is popping more. So yeah, that's a quick suggestion I would like to give. These two were amazing. I think again I got them on sale, some 150 rupees and 170 rupees. And last but not the least, like one of the most important main things, we all the girls and the guys, some of the guys who like to, you know, shave their face, needed facial razors. So I bought one more pack. Like I've taken out a few, so I have just 2 over here. I love facial razors. I have already made a dedicated video on how to use and how to remove the facial hair. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below what part did you like and which product you're gonna try. And that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.